Imagine turning your crypto into a steady earner without the usual hassles. In this guide, I'll walk through FLUID, the smart DeFi platform that lets you lend, borrow, and swap seamlessly across chains like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, and Polygon. Stick around to learn how to set up positions that work for you. Simple steps to boost your holdings. Let's dive in and make your crypto productive. FLUID is a DeFi protocol built to make your money more efficient. Think of it as a one-stop hub where your assets can earn yields while staying liquid for other uses. It combines lending with trading elements, so you get more from every dollar. No need for complex setups. It's designed for beginners to pros. Head to the homepage, and you'll see options to lend, borrow, or swap right away. First things first, connect your wallet. Click that button in the top right. It's lightning fast. Then pick a chain from the drop-down, like Polygon for lower fees or Ethereum for security. This sets the stage for everything. Once connected, your dashboard appears, showing positions at a glance. It's your control center to track supplies and borrows without confusion. Lending is where the magic begins. On the lending page, select an asset like USDC or Ethereum. Supply it by approving the transaction. FLUID handles the rest. You'll earn interest automatically as others borrow. It's passive income, explained simply. You provide liquidity, and the protocol rewards you based on demand. Check different chains for varying options, but always start small to test. Ready to borrow? Supply collateral first, then head to borrow. Choose what you need like stablecoins and set your amount. FLUID uses over-collateralization, meaning you lock more value than you borrow, to keep things safe. This avoids liquidation if prices dip. It's like a crypto loan without banks, giving you flexibility to trade or hold. Swapping is straightforward here. Go to the Swap tab, pick your tokens, say, from USDC to Ethereum. Adjust slippage if needed, then confirm. FLUID routes it efficiently across its liquidity. No external exchanges required, keeping costs down and speed up. Perfect for quick adjustments in your portfolio. Want more exposure? Use Multiply to loop positions. Select a loop like Ethereum collateral against stable debt. It borrows and resupplies in one click, amplifying yields, but watch risks like volatility. Great for optimistic holders aiming higher without manual steps. FLUID empowers you to earn smarter in DeFi. Take action today. Your crypto deserves it. If this helped, smash the like button, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more guides. Check my previous video on top DeFi Llama tips and explore the DeFi Tools playlist. Thanks for watching. You're building real wealth.